Calculate. Minus 23.06 square. Minus 23.06 square. We want to find the value of this. Solution. Then we have minus 23.06 square. Now, what is the first thing to do? The first thing to do is to change 23.06 to an improper fraction. And how do we achieve that? So we have minus square. From the left to the right, what do we have altogether without decimal point? 2306. Divided by what? Now, for you to know how many zeros that will be at the denominator after this one. After decimal point, how many numbers are we having? 1, 2. It means we are going to have 2 zeros. Now we want to find the square of this now. We now write this as what? Minus 2306 divided by 100 times minus 2306 divided by what? 100. And don't forget, while multiplying, numerator multiply numerator and denominator we multiply denominator. So for the numerator, we need to multiply 2306 by 2306. Let's do that. 2306 by 2306. Let's multiply together. Now, starting from the back, 6 times 6, that is 36. We write 6 and carry 3. 6 times 0, we have what? 0. Plus 3, what do we have? 3. 6 times 3, 18. Then what do? We carry 1. Don't forget that. We carry 1. 6 times 2, we have what? 12 plus 1, 13. Now, the next number we are using now is 0. Don't forget that. We're using 0. So 0 times 6, 0. Look at the position of 0. It's going to be under it like this. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 3, 0. 0 times 2, we also have 0. Now, the next number that we're going to use is 3 to multiply. 3 times 6, 18. What do? We carry 1. Now, 3 times 0, 0. And now, plus 1. What do we have? 1. 3 times 3, what do we have? 9. And 3 times 2, what do we have? 6. We have used 3. Now, the next number to use is what? Is 2. 2 times 6, what do we have? 12. Look at 2, the position. So we have 12. We carry what? 1. 2 times 0, what do we have? 0. 0 plus 1, what do we have? 1. Now, 2 times 3, what do we have? 6. We did not carry any number. Take note. So 2 times 3, we have what? 6. Now, 2 times 2, what do we have? 4. What are we doing? We are going to add together now. That's the next thing to do. So we have 6. Then we have 3. 8 plus 0, that is 8. Plus 8, 16. We carry 1. 1 plus 3, what do we have? 4. 4 plus 0, that is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, we have 7. So we write 7. Now, 1 plus 0, what do we have? 1. 1 plus 9, that is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. We carry 1. Now, 6 plus 6. Okay, 6 plus 1 first. 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Then we carry 1. 1 plus 4, what do we have? That is 5. So this is the answer to the product of 2,306 and 2,306. So for the numerator, we are going to have what? Minus times minus plus. Then we have this value. So we have 5,317,636. 5,317,636. Divide by what? What do we have from here? We have 100 times 100. How many zeros do we have altogether? 4 zeros. So we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Can you see? So, and don't forget, we are dealing with improper fraction. So your mapping is from the back. And your mapping deals with only the zeros at the denominators. So we map. We map. Then we map. That's 6 to 0. We now map 7 to 0. Only the zeros. So in that case, look at where we stop at the mapping. So it means decimal point will be in front of 7. Because we only map from 6 to this 7. So the decimal point will be in front of the 7. So we now have our answer to be 531.7636. So it means that the square of minus 23.06 is equal to what? 531.7636. That is the answer to the problem.